Hello, second graders. I hope you're enjoying your break. If you need something to do, I was going to refresh your memories that we were making electronic comic books in my class. So I was just going to go over that. Remember, the first thing we did, we came up with ideas of what we wanted our books to be about. And you guys had them in your folders, and you had a really good start on who you wanted the characters to be. But if you can't remember, you can just think of a new story if you'd like. I chose to do a book on how Sven and Kristoff met. So it's still the same characters, Frozen, but different kind of story. You could do one on Cinderella, but instead of having it be from Cinderella's point of view, you could have it from the Wicked Stepmom's point of view. The next thing we did in class was we kind of sketched out what our book was going to be about. Remember, we reviewed what our comic book needed. It needed a beginning, where it introduces the characters and the setting or where it takes place. The middle, which is where the action or problem occurs. And the end, which is where the problem gets resolved. The problem's fixed. So our comic books needed at least a bare minimum of 4 pages. It could always be longer, but it needed at least 4 because it needed a title page, which we've already all done. It needed a page for the beginning, a page for the middle, and a page for the ending. And we also discussed about using alliteration, or words that start with the same sound at the beginning, and putting them next to each other, and how it makes our writing sound very poetic, such as the black blanket of night, or Crazy Kristoff. After we're done doing a rough outline of what our comic book is going to be about, then we were ready to get on our iPads. And there's a basic review of Lesson 1. Next time we'll review how we made those comic books in Sketchbook and Camera.